Here we are at our 2019 Harris Cruiser 230 pontoon rental fleet. This is the gray one. This one's gray in coloring. There's just a couple of these Harris Cruiser 230s in this particular rental fleet. These have only been rented to one season. They are being sold with transferable warranty that goes through May of 2020. This boat's powered by a Mercury 90 horsepower 4-stroke outboard motor. Engine hours are not known at the time of this video, but we will have those posted on our website. They're expected to be around 200 hours. Our website address is www.yournewboat.com. You'll see the orange lettering. Click the Find Your New Boat button. That's going to show you all of our inventory and order price, and just scroll down till you get to the Harris Cruiser 230. Look for the gray one. You can click into that link. That'll show you, of course, that'll show you the asking price before you even click into that link. We won't mention the asking price in the video tours because those will often change until listing is sold. But you'll see the asking price right there. You can click into that link, see the full list of features on this particular one and the exact engine hours on this particular one. Now this is also going to be it's got a mooring cover that's included with the sale of this one. Of course, you got a Bimini top. You've got the low maintenance luxury woven vinyl flooring, 25-inch diameter pontoons, 31-gallon fuel capacity on this one. Harris puts the same grade of vinyl in this boat as they do on basically their high-end boat. So most of our rental fleet boats are going to have a little bit lower grade vinyl than what that manufacturer would put in their upper end boats. Harris uses the same vinyl on all theirs. So here at your Helm Station, you've got a 12-volt power outlet, horn, navigation light switch, engine trim gauge, tachometer, fuel gauge. This is a dual USB charger, power switch, auxiliary switch. This is a Lowrance hook forward depth and fish finder, and this is a Fusion AM/FM Bluetooth stereo. There's 4 stereo speakers. Driver's seat with adjustable armrest, well, fold-up armrest. There's 15 cup holders on board. This one's rated for 11. It's a 23-foot pontoon, 8.5-foot beam. All your seats are on a hinge. It makes it very easy to lift it up, get what you need out of there, lay it back down. Now, because this boat is still under warranty, for instance, on this Bimini top, we've got some wear right there. This will be sold with new Bimini canvas. There's kind of an integrated waste basket right there. This has kind of the center walk-through layout. Storage here, storage under here, basic storage under all these. These are the plastic seat bases. You've got the 3 entry gates, meaning you can enter through the bow, the stern, or the port side. This lifts up just a little bit and then swings open. Here's your ski tow bar, 4-step fold-down swim boarding ladder, and there's that Mercury 90 horsepower 4-stroke outboard motor. This one is pop-up changing room compatible. A particular option was not put on these because they knew they were using them in rental fleets. But basically a frame would mount here, canvas would fold up, and that's where the pop-up changing room would go. We can have that installed for you at our cost if that's a feature that you want. And of course, the pricing does not include trailers. We can get you a trailer at our cost, or we can arrange to have these delivered to you. Now, there is some damage to this front door here. I didn't spend a whole lot of time on that because that's going to get replaced. And try to remember if there was anything else on this one that was, oh, just the canvas. Bimini canvas, and that front door will be replaced before this is sold. Contact us through the website with any questions, or just schedule your own viewing of this one. Check availability, which rental fleet boats are still available. At the time of this video, there are 4 Harris Cruiser 230s of 2019s available for purchase. we'll have whatever's available posted at our website. And again, contact us through there with any questions. Reach us by phone, by text, by email, and again, leave us a message if you try to get us on the phone. Want a return phone call. If you happen to miss us, leave us a detailed message. Let us know which listing you're looking at, what questions you have, and we will get back with you. Right about now, you'll see a yournewboat.com logo pop up in the top right-hand corner of your screen. If you'd like to be notified of any new listings, you can click that link. That will subscribe you to our YouTube channel. You'll be one of the first to be notified of any new listings that comes to the market in our area. And that'll wrap things up for us here today. Thank you again for joining us.